Hey guys, how are you all? Hope everything is going well with you. So in this lesson, I'm going to explain you how to draw graph of cos theta. So for that, let's draw x-axis and y-axis in the plane. And here, this horizontal line is represent theta, which is x-axis, and the vertical axis represent y, which is cos theta. As we have to draw y equal to cos theta, so this vertical line is cos theta, which is y, and this horizontal line is angle, which is theta, and this represent the x-axis, which is the angle of cos theta. Before drawing the function y equal to cos theta, we need to know from where the curve of cos theta starts. For that, let's theta equal to 0, as this line represents angle, which is theta. So let's take theta equal to 0, and for that, find out the value of cos theta, which is cos 0, and you can find out the cos 0 value of cos theta from the calculator. If you put it in the calculator, you will get that cos theta, value of cos theta is 1. So what will be our coordinate point will be x, y, 0 and 1. So x we have put 0 and we got the y value 1. So this is the coordinate points of 0 and 1. First point we got. And then we need two very important thing of the function to draw, which is range and period of the function. So here I have written few important things which we need to draw the graph of cos theta. So first thing is here, the curve, the cos theta curve passes through 0, 1. And the second important feature is the maximum value of cos theta is 1 and the minimum value of cos theta is minus 1. What does that mean? For any angle of theta, the value of cos theta will not go beyond 1. It means the value of whatever angle you have taken, cos pi over 2, cos pi, it will not go, it will stay in between 0 and 1, positive value. Okay, and it will not go beyond plus 1, it will not go plus 2, plus 3. And what does that mean? Minimum value of cos theta is minus 1, and it will not go below minus 1 as well. So it all the value of theta, cos of angle will stay between 1 and minus 1. That's why we say that range of the cos graph will minus 1 to 1. This is range of the graph. And the last minimum, the important feature is period of cos graph is 2 pi. The meaning of this is the cos graph repeats itself every 2 pi radians. That's why cos theta is a periodic function as well. So always for when you draw the trigonometric function, which is sine theta, cos theta, write these two important feature, which is period of range, period and range of the graph. With the help of these two, you can draw the graph. So as period of the cos graph is 2 pi, so here I have taken 2 pi. This is 2 pi and half of 2 pi is pi. So just half of 2 pi means we have to take 2 pi over 2 and this is cancelled and we will get y. So this distance is 2 pi and then half of 2 pi is pi. And then I have taken half of pi. Half of pi is again take half of pi means over 2. So this distance is pi over 2. Then we have to take half of pi and 2 pi. So pi plus 2 pi over 2. So what will be this? 3 pi over 2. So this is half of 2 pi plus 2 pi is 3 pi over 2. So this point represent 3 pi over 2. Now as period of the cos graph is 2 pi, so after 2 pi I have taken this distance which is same here to here, which is 4 pi, till here to here 4 pi. And same way I took between 2 pi plus 4 pi, half of this is 4 to 6, 4 pi plus 2 pi, 6 pi, half of this is 3 pi. Then I have taken half of this distance, which is 5 pi over 2. Then half of this distance, 7 pi over 2. Now let's draw the graph of cos theta by taking the help of period and range. So as curve passes through, starts from 0, 1. So the curve will start from 0, 1, and take your calculator and find out the value of cos pi over 2. If you put it in the calculator, cos pi over 2, you will get 0. So 0, when you put pi over 2, pi over 2 represent the x-axis, which is theta, and it will, y, you will get 0. So it will not go up or below. You will get still 0, so it will here. Now put it in the calculator, pi. So cos of pi, you will get -1. So cos pi is here, pi, and then 1, it will be here. Then cos 3 pi over 2, you will get 0. 2 pi, you will get 1. 5 pi over 2, you will get 0. 3 pi, you will get -1. 7 pi over 2, you will get 0. And 4 pi, you will get 1. Let's start draw the graph. So start from here and draw the smooth curve. Start from here. And see, start from here, and it will, in the 2 pi, it started from, it stopped, it ended where it starts. So 1, it starts and in 1. Again from here, it will repeat itself. So again draw from here. So see, the graph will repeat itself after 2 pi. So this distance is 2 pi, again this distance is 2 pi. So that's why cos graph is called the periodic function. Now second method is, you can draw the graph by making the table. For that, we need to take few points, which is angle theta. So let's take few points angle of theta and find the value of cos theta. I have taken, this is x and this is y equal to cos theta, x equal to theta. So put it in the calculator, theta, which is cos of 0. You can find the value of 0, 1. So first coordinate point you get 0, 1. And then put it in the calculator, cos pi over 4. So pi over 4 is x-axis, pi over 4, and you will get the value 0. I have taken only one decimal places, so this is 0 0.7. And this way find few points till 2 pi I have taken. Now how to draw this graph? So I have made this table, and I'll take 2 pi here, and the same way take half of 2 pi, which is pi here. Okay, half of pi, and then I have to take 0 and 2 pi, half of pi and 0. So this will be pi over 2. Okay, and half of pi and 2 pi will be here, 3 pi over 2. Okay, and then I will take half of 0 and pi over 2, which will be pi over 4, and half of pi over 2 plus pi, which will be 3 pi over 4. Which, this is all algebra. You can find it out, the value of I will show you one. So I'm going to find it out, half of pi over 2 plus pi. So pi over 2 plus pi is there, and I have to take half of this. So add the numerator here first. So I'm going to do it, this one here. Over 2 is there, still there, over 2. This is there. So LCM of 2 and 1 is here, 2. And then this is pi, and then 1 and 2 is here. This is 2 pi. So this is 3 pi over 2 and multiply by 1 over 2. So this is big divided by, and this, write down, this is 3 pi over 2, and big divided by, turn to multiplication, and then take the reciprocal of 2 over 1, which is 1 over 2. And this one will be 3 pi over 4, which is pi over 2 plus pi. This is 3 pi over 2, half of this one. And in the same manner, we will take half of pi and 3 pi over 2, which we will get here 5 pi over 4. And then I have taken here half of 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi, which is 7 pi over 4. Now plot all the points here. So as first point is 0, 1. 0, 1 will be here. Pi over 4 and 0 0.7. Pi over 4, 0 0.7 will be somewhere here. 0, 0 0.5 will be here. So somewhere here 0 0.7. And then pi over 2, 0. So pi over 2, 0 will be here. Then 3 pi over 4 minus 0 0.7. So 3 pi over 4 minus 0 0.7 will be somewhere here. And then pi minus 1. Pi minus 1 will be here. 5 pi over 4 will be and minus 0 0.7. 5 pi over 4 minus 0 0.7 here. 3 pi over 2, 0. It will be here. 7 pi over 4, 0 0.7. Positive 0 0.7 will be somewhere here. 2 pi and 1. So let's join all the points here. So this graph will be like this. So this is graph of cos theta. This represent cos of theta. And here as well, this graph represent cos theta. Now we will draw the graph, the function in the form of y equal to cos 3 theta. The first question we drawn only cos theta. Now we have to draw y equal to cos of 3 theta. And the domain of the function, which is this line, x line, is between minus pi to pi. We have to take domain minus pi to pi. Till minus pi to pi, we have to draw the graph. Now we need to know very important two feature of the cos graph, which is period of the graph and range of the graph. So how to find the period of the graph is always cos graph. Usually period of cos graph is 2 pi. But here we have to draw the graph cos theta. So 3, the effect of 3 will be will change the period of the graph. So these 3, as period of the cos graph is always 2 pi. But here this 3, effect of this 3 will be, it will come over. So now period of the 2 graph will be 2 pi over 3. This will be the period of the graph. Okay. And range of the graph is, range will be from here. Here, as it nothing is here, it means 1 is here. So range will be, there is no change in the range. So range of the graph remains unchanged as minus 1 to 1. So recall the important feature as well, the cos graph. First, it passes through 0, 1. Now draw the graph, but before that we have to plot few points here. So as range is 1, positive 1 and negative 1 here. So draw the thin line here so that you will not make any mistakes. So first plot the period of the graph, which is 2 pi over 3. I have taken here 2 pi over 3. And remember the domain is minus pi to pi. So here it is 2 pi over 3 and I have to take half of 2 pi over 3, which is pi over 3, and half of this distance 0 to pi over 3, which is pi over 6, and then half of pi over 3 to 2 pi over 3, which is pi over 2. So it means what is the distance here to here? Pi over 6. So every time we are adding pi over 6. Here to here again pi over 3 plus pi over 6. You will If you will calculate, you will get pi over 2. Pi over 2 plus pi over 6, we will get 2 pi over 3. So till positive side, we have to go till pi. So 2 pi, as period of the graph is 2 pi. After 2 pi over 3, it will repeat. So after 2 pi 3, add pi over 6. So you will get 5 pi over 6. Again add pi over 6, you will get pi. I'll show you here. So as this point is pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, add pi over 6. So as LCM is 6 here, 5 pi plus 1 pi here. Pi means 1 pi. So this is 6 pi over 6. So 6 will be cancelled. So pi. So domain is till pi. Same way, negative side, if we will go till minus pi, we have to plot the points on x-axis. So as 2 pi over 3 is the period of the graph, so I have taken here till minus pi 2 pi over 3. Half of 0 to minus 2 pi over 3 is minus pi over 3. Half of 0 to minus pi over 3 is minus pi over 6. And again we are adding minus pi over 6, minus pi over 6, and till minus pi I have taken. Now draw the graph of cos theta here. Cos of 3 theta here. We will draw the graph of cos theta. So how to draw the graph of cos theta? Let's start. As cos graph is always start from 1. So as 2 pi over 3 is period of the graph, so the graph will end it here. Okay, and then minus pi over 3 will be 1. Okay, and pi over 6 will be 0, and pi over 2 will be 0 here, and same way here the graph will end it here. This is the period of the graph, and then pi over 3 will be minus 1, pi over 6 will be 0, and pi over 2 will be 0. Let's draw the graph here. So the graph will start from here. It will go here. And then we have to go till pi. So it will be stop it here, and then again go here the left hand side, which is negative side. So this is the graph of the, and then we have to go till minus pi. So this will be the graph of y equal to cos of 3 theta. So this way we will draw the graph of y equal to cos of 3 theta. Now let's take another question here. Now this time sketch the graph of y equal to 2 cos 2x, and the domain is same minus pi to pi. We have to draw the graph of this. Now how to draw the graph of y equal to 2 cos 2x? Let's plot few points here. I have taken here, but I will leave this 2 column here for you to explain. First, we need to find out what is the period of the graph. So these two will affect the period of the graph. The period of the graph of cos theta is always 2 pi, but this 2 will come underneath here. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So what will be the period of the graph now? Pi. So here we have period of the graph. Now range of the graph. These two will be the range, affect the range of the graph, as our cos graph range is always minus 1 and 1, but this 2 is here. So remember y equal to cos theta, so 1 is always there, so that's why 1 and minus 1 is the range of the graph. Now this time the range of the graph will be minus 2 and 2. Now plot few points here, and then we will do it here. So I will take here x, as angle is 2x. So first I'll take x, and the value of x I'm going to take first, uh, start from minus pi. So as remember here, this is 0, and our period of the graph is still here. I have to take pi and negative side minus pi. So I'm going to start from minus pi. So minus pi, and then 0 to minus pi, half of this is here minus pi over 2, which I have taken here, and then half of this 2 will be uh, pi and minus pi over 2. Let's draw it here. So minus pi plus minus pi over 2, and half of this I have to take. So calculate it here. So minus 2 pi minus pi over 2. So this will be here minus 3 pi over 4. So second will be here minus 3 pi over 4. So x, we are taking this x minus pi, then 3 pi over 4, then half of this, and this will be minus pi over 4. So I have taken here, then go to 0, and then after 0, here it will be pi over 2, and then half of this will be pi over 4, and then pi over 4, and then half of this will be 3 pi over 4 here, 3 pi over 4. So this way I have taken all the points here. So x is there, then we have to take 2x as our angle is 2x. So we have to multiply here 2 of minus pi, which is minus 2 pi. Okay, and then this one as well, 2 multiplied by minus 3 pi over 4. So 2, 4, we can cancel it out, and then final is minus 3 pi over 2. Then we have to take cos of 2x, cos of 2x, which is this one. So cos of minus 2 pi. Calculate it from the calculator, you will get 1 here, and then cos of minus 3 pi over 2, you will get 0 here. Then cos 2x we have taken here. Then we need to multiply it cos of 2x by 2. I have final value of cos 2x is 1. Then I'm going to take it y equal to 2 cos 2x. So this is cos 2x final value. So we have to multiply it just by 2, equal to, you will get 2. 2 multiplied by 0, you will get 0. And same way I have calculated here as well. Now what will be the coordinate point, which is x and y? So x is 2x. No, x is minus pi. So here x is minus pi, and what y we got here? Minus 4. So coordinate point is minus pi over 2, 2. And then here minus 3 pi over 4, 0. So this is the table ready here. And how to draw this graph? Let's draw it here. First plot the points here. So as remember, period is pi and range is minus 2 and 2. So I'm going to write it here. Period of the graph is pi, which is pi, and range is minus 2 to 2, which I have taken here. And draw the thin line, horizontal line here from minus 2 and minus 2, so that you will not make any mistakes here. Now how to draw? Here it is 1 and here it is minus 1. So 1 and 2 is the period, range is minus 2 to 2. Plot the all the coordinate points here. So first point is minus pi and 2. Where is minus pi? Minus pi is here, and 2. The point will be here. Minus 3 pi over 4, 0. So here minus 3 pi over 4, 0 will be here. Minus pi over 2, minus 2. Minus pi over 2, minus 2 will be here. Then minus pi over 4, 0 will be here. Then 0, 2. 0, 2 will be here. Pi over 4, 0. Pi over 4 will be 0. pi over 4 0 is here, pi over 2 minus 2, pi over 2 minus 2 will be here, 3 pi over 4 0 will be here, and pi and 2 will be here. Now plot the points here. So start from here. So you will get, you draw the smooth curve. And from here, so this line, this curve represent y equal to 2 cos 2x. So this way we draw the graph of y equal to 2 cos 2x. Now we will draw the graph of cos function in the form of y equal to a plus b cos c x, c theta. So here this a will be the midway horizontal line between maximum and minimum value of the function. Whatever value will be here, this is the midway line. So as you know that this is x and y axis, so for cos graph, this is the midway line. For cos graph, this is the midway line. This is the midway line here. But here, this a, whatever the value of a, this will be the midway line. So we will do the question, then you can understand. And then what this b? This b is the amplitude of the function. As we draw only cos theta, so this number is here represent the range of the graph. So as you here, this b represent the amplitude of the function. So this is the distance. What is amplitude? This is the distance above or below the midway line. So this is the distance above, or this 0 is the, this horizontal line that is the midway line. So this is this represent the amplitude. Here it is 1, and this is plus 1 and minus 1 is the range, or minus 1 and plus 1 is the range of the graph here. Now let's draw one question here. Draw one question, then you can understand. Let's take one question here. Y equal to 1 plus 2 cos 4x. So this x-axis represent x, and this y-axis represent this whole, y equal to 1 plus 2 cos 4x. So as we are drawing y equal to a plus b cos c theta. What is a? A is here 1. So 1 is the, a represent the midway line. As I explain you here, a represent the midway line. So a is here 1. So let's do it here. This line represent 1. This distance is 2. And here it is minus 1 and then minus 2, and this way this will go. So what is the midway line we have? 1. So from 1, let's draw a thin line so that we will not make any mistakes. Now this time our curve, midway line of our curve is this 1. This one is our midway line. Okay. Now what is b? This b is here 2. So these 2 represent the amplitude of the graph. So this is the distance above or below the midway line. So 2 above or below the midway line. So after midway line, this is 1. So this represent 1 and 2. So this is the distance above the midway line, and then go below the midway line. Our midway line is this one, not this one. Okay, then go below again 2, 1 and 2. So the graph will be from here to here. Okay. So now find out the range will be. Now what will be the range here? Range will be from midway line 1 and 2. So what will be the range here? And go below. Upper range is 3 here. So how to find out the range? Upper range is 3. Then go below 1 and 2. So minus 1. So range will be minus 1 and 3. And then we need period of the graph. What will be the period of the graph? As we are drawing cos graph, so period will be 2 pi always. But if see something is there, see this will affect the period. So which is here 4. So over it will be 4. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So now this time our period of the graph is pi over 2. So cos graph will repeat itself every pi over 2. So I have taken here till pi over 2. As no domain is there, so we will draw the graph till pi over 2. Okay. Now how to draw the graph of this? Let's draw it here. As recall the important feature. So our graph will start from upper range from 3, and our midway line is this one. So we have to take pi over 8 here, this one, and this is pi over 4, and this will be pi over 8, and this one will be pi over 2. So now this line will nothing is here. Our important midway line is this one. Now draw the graph of this line. This is here. So start from here and from here, and it will go as I explain you. This is our midway line. So the graph will be till here to here. So draw the graph. This will be here. This is minus 1, and then this will be the graph of y equal to 1 plus 2 cos 4x. Now, if I'll give you another question here, draw the graph of y equal to 1 minus 2 cos 4x. I have just changed this sign. One here 1 plus 2 cos 4x, and here 1 minus 2 cos 4x. So if only the sign will change here, the graph will reflect here. So how to draw this graph? It will not start from um, uh, 3 now. It will start from the lower range, which is minus 1. And how to draw this one here? Just the opposite. This sign, the sign is opposite, same way the graph will be opposite. And this line represent y equal to 1 minus 2 cos 4x.